Since we opened for business back in 2014, 3D Prima has delivered yearly thousands of 3D printers, filaments and accessories all over the world from our depot here in Malmö, Sweden. In our web shop, you can see the current status of what we have in stock on the shelves in our warehouse. That means that what you see online is what we physically have ready to ship. And as long as you place your order before 2 p.m. Central European Time, we will ship it to you the same day. It couldn't be more simple. We stock most popular brands of 3D printers, filaments, accessories, and much, much more. Our technicians are continually testing the various printers that we sell, along with all the different filaments that we stock, so we truly understand how to achieve the best results. Our helpful customer support will gladly share their expert knowledge with you, regardless if you're looking to buy 100 machines or just that special one. So check out our available assortment of products in detail in our web shop. Happy printing!